If your car shows early signs of a failing alternator, don't ignore them. Dim lights that flicker or fade may be your first clue. Electrical issues like windows or the radio suddenly failing are another warning. Strange noises such as whining or grinding near the engine can also signal trouble. If you need frequent jump starts, even with a new battery, the alternator may be to blame. And finally, always pay attention to warning lights on your dashboard. Spotting these signs early can help you avoid bigger problems later.